I understand what my responsibility is. When I see you all standing here and you have come here to hear me speak, I know that you are coming here out of love for my brother also. I am his sister. I know what a heavy heart he had when he had to leave you. Renuji is laughing, he also knows. You gave him love when everybody had turned their back on him. It is you, each one of you, each one standing here, each person who lives in Wayanad, every brother, every sister, every child, every mother, every father who gave him the courage to walk for unity and peace. He has a deep relationship with you. He even tells me, not just in public, in private also he tells me, that you are his family. He does not treat you like an electorate, he treats you like a family. Today we are fighting a very big battle, and he is leading that battle. And all of us are fighting for the values on which this country was built. We are fighting for the values of our constitution. Today we are fighting for democracy. Today we are fighting for equality. Today we are fighting for the truth. And each one of you is an important soldier in this fight. So please understand that along with me, you also have a responsibility towards your country. Because if there is a time to stand for what is right, if there is a time to stand for the truth, if there is a time to stand up for democracy, it is now. And each one of you with this one vote of yours can stand up for the right thing.